Welcome back to JB Imports. Today, I bought this nifty bracket to move my cruise control switch out of the way. I had it zip tied to my steering wheel, and because I had it zip tied, I couldn't take off my quick release. Welcome back to JB Imports. Today, I bought this nifty bracket to move my cruise control switch out of the way. I had it zip tied to my steering wheel, and because I had it zip tied, I couldn't take off my quick release. Take off the quick release steering wheel. I already did it because this is from before. What I had to do here, you're gonna see me. I have to take off this plate. Then I got a hub puller. Put a rag on it or something so it doesn't scratch the paint. Or if you don't care, just put the jaw puller on it. And then press it forward. That way you could take it off the hub. Then you plug it in. It plugs into your clock spring. And then you run it down underneath the bottom. There's a little hole on the hub itself that you can run the cable through. Or if you're more inclined electrically, you could relocate it. Splice the wires behind the clock spring and then run it somewhere else. I've seen people put it down here. I've seen people run it over here. Even over here on the bottom. But like I said, I'm not that talented, so I did it the lazy way. I got the bracket. This one is a steering solution, but G-Tech makes a very good one as well. And both companies offer the option if you want to get one side or you get two. I'm only keeping the cruise control just because when I get the car tuned, that's how I'll be able to switch the maps. I don't really care for the radio. I have an aftermarket radio anyways. But they give you the option to buy both brackets or one, however you need it. So we're going to take this off and then put it underneath. But before we do that, we're going to secure the bracket to the connector. Everything comes supplied. You just need a screwdriver. They give you a plastic washer to put on it. Then we have a metal washer and a screw to hold everything down so that way it doesn't shake around. It's going to be an exact fit. You're going to put the plastic part, the white piece on first. Then you're going to put the washer with the screw. That way it's going to stay tight. We're just going to place it right in the sandwich plate in between. And then put the bolts back on. I just had to unplug the ground for the horn to put the plate in between, then reconnect it. Then line it back up. I just put 2 screws to hold it in place for now. I mean, once that's on, it's tightened. For now, I'm going to leave this alone. But I'm thinking in the future, I'm going to cut it. Probably cut it in half and then splice it. So that way the cable's sitting just a little bit shorter. But it'll still be able to spin freely. It'll be able to spin with the steering wheel. See, now it's on and it's out of the way. It sits comfortably behind the steering wheel. saying? It's right behind the steering wheel. You can still hit it.